Warm welcome. This is Sakshi from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. And our project is PyBoards simply connects Python with any hardware boards. Origin of the creative idea is by we have the API concept and also we have the boards which use the API very effectively. Then why we can't connect Python and those boards? That's our first thought that what we implemented also. We all know that Python have a huge amount of resource as well as a big community. So our aim is to send the Python code from the hardware to our server, which returns the output of that particular code. If you are going to do machine learning or deep learning, you just need to send the code to our website. Then we return the output of that particular code. By that you can manipulate the result as you want. Okay. This is our ideation process. First, we developed the platform and then integrated the API with the industry boards. Then we created the server-side execution using Django. Then also we need to implement some monitoring system. So we implemented data management system and real-time monitoring. Our aim is to use Python in any hardware which doesn't support Python. For that, the way is API. Yes, some hardwares doesn't even have a 1 GB of storage. Then how it can do machine learning and deep learning? For this, we need GPU, right? So we have the GPU in our server. So pass the code to us. We send you the output. By that, you can manipulate the result. You can also do the machine learning and deep learning without having GPU. This is our system design. Here, whenever you are going to send your Python code to our server, you can make use of our package, which is shanloop. You can easily install it using pip install shanloop, which is the command. Then you need to upload your file in our website, which may be CSV or Excel or PDF. Then we generate a link and give it to you. You need to place that link in your code. For example, you are going to read a file pd.read CSV of that link we generated. Okay. Then you need to pass that code to our backend server Django. Here we used backend as Django and containerized it. Then we used Nginx for load balancing. Once you send the code to us, we place that code in a queue using Celery and Redis. By that, you are going to send 5 codes at a time. Each code we place it in the queue. Okay. Then we fetch one by one and execute and send you the output. Also, you can monitor it using Electron.js, which is a desktop application we used to create it. And also, we provide a mobile application which we developed using React Native. And our backend is PostgreSQL, where we fetch the data to monitor in the desktop. For real-time monitoring and status updation, we use Django signals and WebSocket to show the status and updation of the code of your code in the front end. Okay, these are the targeted ports which can send the API request to our server. For this, we created a package called pyboards.h, which is a C language package. You can use it in all the ports. These are the few screenshots of our website, Pyboard. This is a Python code for benchmark testing. Yeah, professor runs the code in his laptop, which takes 3 minutes. He runs that same code in the Raspberry Pi, which takes nearby 3 hours. Okay. In my laptop, it just take 75 seconds itself. Then think about AWS. If you are going to launch our website in AWS, then you are going to pass your code to our AWS server. Then imagine how fast it is. Currently, we are looking for fans for this project. If this project came live, we can use any hardware board to integrate it with Python and run Python code in any hardware which doesn't support Python. Thank you very much and all the best for your engineering life.